Si Josh na may-ari ng YouTube channel na Josh the Intern ay nagpunta sa isang masukal na gubat sa Sri Lanka para hanapin ang prehistoric cave na tinatawag na Cannibal Cave. Habang naglalakad, dalawang lokal na lalaki ang biglang sumulpot sa may damuhan at sinundan siya. Noong maabutan siya, pilit siyang isinasama ng mga ito para raw sa isang misteryosong bagay. Dahil sa kaba, binuksan ni Josh ang kanyang kamera upang kuhanan kung ano ang mga nagaganap.
I've been joined by some friends. They're showing me around. Very cool. I think these guys want to show me something. All right. We going this way? I'll follow you. I'll follow you. After you. You get one more shot, okay? One more shot. Oh, sorry. I'm just shooting, filming, and doing more. And then I'll come, okay?
Sinubukan niya magpanggap na normal, ngunit pilit siyang pinapapasok ng mga lalaki sa isang abandonadong bahay sa gitna ng kawalaan. Nang mapansin ni Josh na pumuposisyon ang isang lalaki sa likod niya.
I'll come soon. I just want to shoot this. But you go. I'll stay. And then I come later. I'm just filming everything. Okay? Okay.
Bigla na lang siyang kinutuban. Nagdahilan siyang may nakalimutan siya. Dahan-dahang umatras at naglakad papalayo sa lugar. Noong magkaroon na siya ng pagkakataon, ay dali-dali siyang tumakbo papalayo dito.
Alright guys, so I have made it to safety. I wanted to wait until I was off the isolated road because there's only one way up and one way down to that cave. The adrenaline is rushed out of me. I ran down that mountain. That's why I'm very, very sweaty.
Ligtas siyang nakatakas. Ngunit ang tanong, ordinaryong kabaitan lang ba ito o isang matinding panganib kung sakali mang hindi niya sinundan ang kanyang kutob? Habang nagmamaneho si Eric at ang kanyang mga kaibigan sa isang hindi matukoy na highway, napansin nila ang isang mahabang dirt road na may babalang pag-aari ito ng isang mapanganib na mangkukulam. Palagi kanyang pinapanood.
What is that?
There's what? Don't tell me it's here. What the Are you serious right now? Wait, did you hear that?
Was that a dog?
What the hell is this? Wait, what does this say?
It says.
Oh, it's in Spanish. What the Wait,
We'll
okay.
translate that for you guys,
Guys,
in the video.
I'm not trying to
Well, I'll do it now.
cuss.
So it says, this land is a bewitched, of danger?
Yeah. Yo, did you hear that again?
Yeah, I think it's a crow. My eyes are looking at you, stay.
Alright, so right off the bat, guys, we got a bunch of dogs here just laying around this fence. Yo, look at that.
Look, they look burnt. Look at this one. There is no way.
Guys, yo, what's up with your head?
Sa magkabilang gilid ng daan, ang mga bakod ay puno ng mga sunog, luray-luray at nakakatakot na manika.
Yo, look. I feel like this is like some voodoo shit. I don't even want to touch him. Can you go ahead and blink if you're haunted? Maybe I could take you with me.
Sa dulo nito, nakakita sila ng mannequins na may lumang damit at isang abandonadong kubo na mukhang kulungan ng tao.
Disturbing. Just the keys and all that's gonna clear the bus.
How do you zoom in?
Biglang may sumulpot na isang misteryong figura. Kaya naman sa tindi ng takot ay humarurot sila papalayo. Ginalugad ng YouTuber na si Pasha ang isang liblib at abandonadong lugar sa Russia na kung tawagin ay Gromovo. May kakaibang alamat ang lugar. Araw-araw itong pinupuntahan ng kidlat. Kahit pa napakalinaw ng kalangitan. Nagtayo ng tent si Pasha sa tabi ng isang dambuhalang bato na pinaniniwalaan niyang humihigop sa kidlat para mag-abang sa gabi. At ito ang mga sumunod na nangyari.
Did you hear that? Let's go. Look. A chunk of the rock shattered. It's hot. I think we got it on camera. That was insane. We're not staying for another strike.
Isang nakakabinging pagsabog ang naganap. Kuha sa kamera ang direktang pagtama ng kidlat na pagsabog sa isang bahagi ng bato at hindi na nilang hinintay pa na baka sila ang susunod na sumalo ng kidlat. Para kay Sam ng channel na The Northwest Wind, sanay siya sa mapayapang solo camping. Ngunit ang pagbisita niya sa isang liblib na lupain malapit sa Allegheny River ay naging isang buhay na bangungot. Habang natutulog sa loob ng kanyang sasakyan, binalot siya ng kababalaghan.
There's a really up noise coming from the woods right now. It sounds like a woman screaming. I was sitting in my front seat with the heated seat on, warming up. It's been dark for a long time now, and it sounds like a woman screaming bloody murder. Listen. Literally, I'm freaking out right now. I don't know what the hell that was, but that has me absolutely terrified. I'm not lying.
Nakarinig si Sam ng mga boses at iyak mula sa madilim na bahagi ng gubat. Hindi ito tunog ng hayop, kundi ito ay isang tunog ng nagmamakaawa at humihingi ng tulong.
Getting out of here. I'm getting out of here. Don't like the feeling that I have. I don't like that feeling at all, so we're gonna go. We're just getting out of here. Nope, not gonna stay. I feel very unsafe right now. I feel very... Okay, turn to Creed. I'm listening to Creed. I feel... very unsafe right now. Very, very unsafe. And I can't just peel out of here. I got to come down this half mountain road. So if I need to get out of here in a pinch, I can't. Yeah, hi. I'm out in... I was out camping and I heard, I believe it was a woman screaming in great distress.
So where are you, Sam?
I drove back.
Road. How far did you travel?
Probably a mile and maybe a little more. There's a property for sale. I'm truck camping up there because I'm supposed to let them know tomorrow if I want to buy it. And I all of a sudden heard this scream like 50 times. This is the most thing I've ever experienced while filming a video. You want me to wait or what should I do? Okay, well I'm gonna. Okay, well be safe, and I wouldn't feel right if I didn't call, so whether it's nothing or something, be safe, and I just, you know. Thanks brother, have a good night, be safe.
Sa tindi ng takot, pinatakbo niya ang kanyang sasakyan at tumawag sa pulis. Nang dumating na ang mga armadong otoridad, dahan-dahan nilang pinasok ang isang cabin sa lugar. Ligtas namang nakaalis si Sam, ngunit ang misteryo ng sumisigaw ay nananatiling walang kasagutan. Si Mike ng channel na Fearless and Far ay nagtungo sa Turkey para galugarin ang isang sinaunang kastilyo na may madilim na reputasyon. Nang sumapit ang gabi, matapos niyang magtayo ng tent at magpaliyab ng apoy, napansin niyang nawawala ang kanyang headlamp. Gumawa siya ng sulo gamit ang kahoy para hanapin sa dilim ang kanyang headlamp nang bigla na lang mayroong nagpaputok ng baril.
A gunshot. I didn't hear it, and I continued around the side of the castle in view of the path. Two more gunshots. They zip overhead.
Guys, someone came with a gun and fired shots at the castle. They're firing shots at me.
I have two choices. Stay in the castle and hold my ground, hoping this is just some simple misunderstanding, that they think I'm some mischievous kid.
They're coming closer. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Or grab my things and run. Maybe they're drunk crazy locals. Or maybe worse.
Ang mga bala ay papunta sa kanya. Totoong mayroong nagpapaputok sa direksyon niya. Agad na tumakbo si Mike sa dilim at iniwan ang kanyang mga gamit.
What would you choose? What would you do? I ran.
I left everything behind, and now I'm trying to find a safe place to go. That's them there with a flashlight. You hear those gunshots? They don't want me here.
Doon niya nalaman na ang mga militar pala ang nagpapaputok dahil napagkamalan siyang isang magnanakaw na sumira ng lighting system ng kastilyo.
Hello, hello, hello. Merhaba.
Mike, where are you from?
From Canada.
Canada.
You made me very slick. It's a big gun.
Yok, soruyor. No problem.
No problems.
Turkish. Hoş geldin. You are welcome.
Nereye? Aşağı mı inmiştin?
Yeah.
Çağırdık seni.
Sen neredeydin?
Can I make video?
No.
No? No, okay. You thought I was a you thought I was a thief.
Yeah.
The only thing I was taking was photos. How many bullets did you shoot?
4 or 5.
4 or 5 bullets. And then you? 3. So 5 from a pistol and 3 from a AK-47 or something similar.
Mike diyor. Fuck you children.
Exactly. I was like, what the fuck, what the fuck, what the fuck? And then I ran so fast in the dark with no light up a cliff. I could have friggin' died.
Napalibutan siya ng mga nakatutok na mahahabang baril bago napatunayan na isa lamang siyang isang turista na gustong mag-camping sa tabi ng sikat na kastilyo. Isang malaking pagkakamali na muntik nang kumuha ng kanyang buhay.